Good day, mabuhay. I am Salvan Joseph Soban, BS Tourism Management in Bohol Island State University Main Campus, Tagbilaran City. Today, I will be conducting an interview for some tourism practitioner in this industry. So, my first question for you is that, what's your name?
Hi, I'm just front desk here in Tropical Stay.
Okay. How long have you been working in the hospitality industry?
8 years.
Oh, dugay na kaming service dere. So, sa ani nga kanang sa inyong motel, pila na ka years po?
8, same rank.
Same.
Nag-start.
Let's start. So, based on your experience working in a motel, what are the 3 factors that you think most favor the growth of tourism and hospitality?
First is safety and security. Second is quality facility. And then last is good customer service.
Okay, can you please, ansa na galitin mo first nga, kuan?
First is safety and security for the guests. Sa amuang room, naka-double lock, na may fire extinguisher. Every room na ay fire extinguisher. Then sa hotel na ay fire alarm. O naami CCTV sa mga hallway o sa front na gate.
Oh, okay. So, why do you think safety and security is important to the growth of tourism and hospitality?
Para magbalik-balik ang guest, maka-feel sila nga safe sila, dili mo stay.
So, for your second factor, can you please elaborate?
Quality facility is comfortable rooms, comfortable CRs. We properly maintain the rooms. We do general cleaning every week, once a week sa tanan nga rooms.
Okay, same question. Why do you think quality and facility is important to the growth of tourism and hospitality?
Para maka-feel sila nga ini-check-in nila is hinlo ang ilang room, ganahan sila mabalik-balik og stay kay good ang services nila.
For your third factor, what is it? And elaborate please, why it is factor in the growth of tourism and hospitality.
Good customer service is important para maka-feel sila, welcome sila once mo-check-in sila in here. Then mabalik-balik sila, and then malinaw sila kay we have Netflix, YouTube, and free Wi-Fi for the more check-in, even if short stay na sila and then overnight stay.
Okay. So, among the 3 factors you mentioned, what do you think has the biggest impact on the growth of... So, among the 3 factors you mentioned, which do you think has the biggest impact on the growth of tourism and hospitality, and why?
For me, it's quality facility, to have a comfortable rooms, properly maintained cleanliness of the room, and para ma-enjoy sila to entertain sa Netflix and YouTube, maunay balik-balikon sa mga guests, and we have free Wi-Fi.
Okay, thank you. Those are all of my questions. Thank you very much for sharing your time, knowledge, and experiences with me. Your answer will be very helpful for my performance test. Have a great day. Mabuhay. Thank you.